So in this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer my contacts from one computer to another. Okay, so let's pretend, so we're going to be simulating this situation just using one computer, but basically the process is exactly the same. All right, so what you want to do is you want to start my contacts on the computer that you want to kind of transfer from. So this is the computer that you have your existing my contacts. So all you have to do is go to File, and then this option here, transfer my contacts to another PC, and then you want to do a backup. Okay, so you click backup and you select a folder. So I'm just going to put it on the desktop. So I select my desktop and I click OK. And if you notice here, it created a zip file and it says all my contacts data backed up successfully. And what it does is it actually opens up the Windows file manager, and it basically highlights the zip file that you've created. Now, what you want to do is you want to copy this onto a flash drive, or like a thumb drive or whatever, right? Because you're going to put it onto another computer. So let's just imagine that we've done that. And now we've gone to the second computer, right? And here is our backup, okay? So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm just gonna delete all this. Okay, and I'm gonna delete this as well, just to simulate that we have a brand new install of my contacts. Now remember, the caveat here is that the new computer must have the same version of my contacts as the old one. So at the time of this recording, my contacts is at version 1.2.6.0. So your old computer, when you backed up from your old computer, that old computer should have the same version, okay, as the new computer. Or in other words, make sure that the new computer has the same installation version of my contacts as the old version. Okay, that's the only caveat. All right, now once you start my contacts, so pretend now that we're in the brand new computer and we've already installed my contacts and it's at the same version as your old computer. And now when we start this up, what I would recommend is that as soon as you install my contacts on the new computer, you basically restore right away. Okay, don't make any changes, because if you do add contacts before you do a restore, then all your existing data will be gone. Okay, so we start with a blank slate, and then all we have to do is go File, Transfer to another PC, Restore my contacts. And it's going to give you this warning saying that you're going to do a restore, and if you haven't backed up your data, then you should back it up. Okay, and if you want to back up, then you should just click cancel and back up. But because this is a brand new installation, or we're kind of simulating it's a brand new installation, we're just going to go ahead and click yes, because we want to continue. And then it's going to ask you for this backup here. So we go to desktop, and then here is a backup, and then we'll click open. And it gives you a final warning saying that you're about to restore my contacts from the selected backup. Are you sure you want to continue? And we'll click yes. And that's it, it's done. And it tells you my contacts was restored successfully. My contacts will now exit, and you'll need to restart it in order to see your changes. So we'll click OK. And if you notice, my contacts has basically closed down, and we're going to restart my contacts. So here we go. Great. And there you have it. We have restored all our data from this backup, and you can see all the data here. So it's great. All right. Okay, so that's basically how you transfer my contacts from one computer to another.